We got some action this morning here. This S&P just, been sold off pretty good. They held some decent support early around 44, but then the opening just kept holding. Now they smashed it back here, dealing with some support at 37 quarter. In my opinion, it has to get back above the halfway. That's at 35 half now, and a level up at 37 half. Otherwise, it's about as good a risk. It drops down to a huge price down below at 04. Now 04 could be a pretty good chop, but if that gives way, there could be some massive downside. So watch it down there at 04. Yeah, 63.04. Yeah, and they're still hanging around, again, a pretty decent level here at 21.5. Financials have made a decent push to the upside. Bonds just passed above 21. They're trading 24. They should print 25, but you got some resistance above there. Up at 02, 114.02, some decent resistance. These financials they've been so quiet, but they have come out of this little quiet morning range, and they have made a decent push here from 15 to 24. This 21 is just an important price to help with your bias. 10-year notes, 5-year notes are pushing too. Getting through that 16 quarter in 5 years, that's pretty important. I made a note to myself earlier, I might miss it because of this, but right in here, this 17 half 18. There could be a little follow through here, up closer to 22 quarter. And again, on downticks, you want to see that 16 quarter hold. Maybe asking too much of this market. So many head fakes in it, and just these nonsense moves. But that's a big deal for bias too in the 5-year at 16 quarter. And if 10-year drops back into the opening, the 5 half overnight high, 6 half, that's worth looking to also for a buy.